In November 1992, Microsoft hired Daniel Oran to join the development team working on the next consumer version of Windows, codenamed Chicago. Upon its release earlier that year, Windows 3.1 had become a massive success for the company. However, users had problems trying to navigate the system, often finding it difficult to access and manage apps. To combat this problem, Microsoft introduced a more intuitive user interface in Chicago upon its release as Windows 95, using design ideas created by Daniel himself. A new, ever-present toolbar called the Taskbar would sit at the bottom of the screen, showing users running apps and allowing them to easily switch between them. In addition, a button labelled Start, which upon clicking, would display a menu providing quick access to the user's programs, documents and settings would be added. Together, the new Start menu and Taskbar would become the cornerstone of Windows 95's new user interface, as well as a fundamental part of Windows identity in the future. Over the years, the Start menu and Taskbar saw various improvements. 1997's desktop update for Windows 95 and Windows NT 4 debuted Quick Launch, a feature that allowed users to pin apps or file shortcuts to the taskbar. Windows 2000 introduced so-called personalized menus to the Start menu, which hid entries that the user rarely clicked on in an effort to provide a cleaner and more efficient experience. The following year, Windows XP redesigned the Start menu altogether, adding, amongst other things, the ability to pin apps for quick access, plus an auto-populated most recently used programs list. It also allowed app windows to be grouped together under a single taskbar button, and the hiding of app and/or system icons from the notification area as the user desired. In 2006, Windows Vista added a search box to the Start menu, allowing for faster and easier searching, and 2009's Windows 7 provided the ability for users to pin their favourite apps to the new so-called superbar. Whilst 2012's Windows 8 famously removed the Start button and menu, they would be swiftly restored following a large public backlash, forming a large part of the marketing of its successor, Windows 10, in 2015. In 2021, Windows 11 allowed the centering of app icons in the taskbar for the first time, and redesigned the Start menu again, doing away with the Windows 8 and 10 era's so-called live tiles in favour of a simpler, icon-based experience, harking back to previous iterations of the menu's design.